The preceding signal weather test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Pineville, Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, DeFrance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Pineville, Ohio. The warning alarm tone will be amplified or just why the National Weather Service following the county days. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio weather service weather radio warning alarm. Pineville, Ohio. This is no weather. All hazardous radios. One area of Florida 400 makes much cooler than Ohio. Most broadcast average 15 miles per hour, service about 25 miles per hour. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern clouds and the wild down ice. Like rain and load, up on 30 cool country, now cooler 10 miles per hour. On Thursday, highs in the mid-40s return on Friday, 10 to 15 miles per hour. National Weather Service forecast local clouds from Ohio. Lows in the upper 30s, cloudy, wind by 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday off, mostly cloud cooler with highs around 50 hours. And most between 10 to 2 miles and a lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Lows in the upper 30s. Friday night, winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Cool. Lows in the upper 40s, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. At 11 a.m., weather report